Hi guys, welcome back to another Battle of the Foundation. Well, today we are trying out the new Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup. So this is a brand new foundation for Essence. And if you want to see how this wears, just keep watching. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And please also take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. If you're one of my regular subscribers, welcome back and thanks for checking in today. So let's get going. Hey guys, I just wanted to kind of film a little quick note here. When I started filming, I didn't realize I didn't have my microphone right over the top of my head. It was kind of behind me. So if you don't hear the volume very well, that's the reason why. I figured it out fairly quickly though, so the audio is going to get better. So I do apologize for that. Just one of those things that happens. Thanks.
All right, today I am trying out a new foundation for Battle of the Foundations, and this is the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup. I actually picked this up in two shades, which is shade 20 and 30. It only comes in 4 shades total, so I'm going to have to figure out which one of these is going to be the best match for my skin. Now this is actually part 1 of a 2-part series because I'm doing an actual full face of all brand new Essence makeup. So that will be coming out, you'll be seeing this on Thursday, so this should be out on Thursday where you'll see me in a whole look in all the products that I'm using. Now I did change up my primer since I am trying to use all Essence products, and I'm using their new Fresh and Fit Awake Prime. This is a healthy glow pore minimizing effect, so I do have that on, and it did indeed give me a little bit of a glow going on here. So, not tacky. Just really feels like it smoothed everything out as far as pore minimizing. It actually did a pretty decent job of doing that. So I also went in, and since I don't have a color corrector for them, I did have one of my older sets. This is their Camouflage Cream Concealer. So I used this under my eyes, and this is actually the first time of using this. So I'm using this to kind of do a little bit of color correcting before we go in because I do have such bad under eye dark circles. So let's go ahead and pump these out. You do get 1.01 fluid ounces in each bottle. Let's see which one is a better match for me. So this is shade 20. And that is shade 30. So I say number 30 is going to be the best match for me. I'm going to go ahead and apply just a little bit more primer into this area that I have to take the makeup off. Make sure that I've got everything primed properly. I'm going to go in with number 30. So that is one pump right there. A little bit on the moussey side is how I would describe it. Well, it doesn't do a whole heck of a lot. Now they say that this does have medium to high coverage, so we'll see it and we'll also see how buildable it is. Let's go in and see how the brush performs. I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Flat Top Kabuki brush here. Okay, so that's one layer with the brush side. I think the brush gave a lot more coverage. Okay, let's go in with the second coat and see how it does. I'm going to go ahead and use a brush all over the face for this second layer. And normally I would just go into my troubled spots, but I just feel like everything needs more. Alright, So there's 2 coats compared to 1. Alright, this is what it looks like with 2 coats now applied. Definitely has a very luminous finish to it. It's still pretty tacky, so I'm going to let this dry for a couple of minutes and then I'll come back and we'll see how it looks when it has a chance to dry.
Alright, I've had a chance to let this dry for several minutes now, and it's not completely drying down, but it's doing a really good job. It's still nothing I would feel comfortable without putting any types of powders on as well. So this is the look. I would not call this high coverage. I would say medium coverage, even though it did a fairly good job of covering up all of my little age spots and that kind of stuff. Maybe a high medium, let's put it that way. So it's like it's starting to settle into my smile lines a little bit. Nothing really around my forehead. Nose area looks really good. So let me go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back in just a bit to show you how everything looks. Alright, I am back, and this is the finished look with everything done. I have to say, now that I have everything applied, I really, really like this foundation. It is starting to settle just a little bit into my smile lines there, but that's pretty normal for foundations for me. But other than that, I think it looks very pretty. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything, so it just feels more like my skin, rather than sometimes you can get those foundations that are really, really heavy and you just know that you're wearing foundation. This is not one of those, which I kind of thought it would, since it had kind of that whipped consistency when I applied it. So luckily that feeling went away. So my thoughts on it. They need to come out with more shades. So 4 shades is just not going to cut it. They're all really, really close to each other. So I'm sorry, Essence, you need to do a better job on coming out with some colors here. I'm sure you've heard through the grapevine what's been happening with some other foundations out there. So 4 shades, but other than that, I really do like it for a drugstore foundation. We'll have to see how it wears, and I'm going to leave down in the description box how this wore throughout the day for you. Now, if you want to see how I got the look with the rest of my face, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because on Saturday I will be posting my video on doing this full face using all brand new Essence products. So if you want to see it, make sure you subscribe and check back in on Saturday. So I think that kind of wraps everything up. Tell me down below, though, please leave me a comment. Let me know how you think this looks, and if there's any other products that are out there that you would like me to do a review on, some foundations or anything like that, please let me know. I'd be happy to go ahead and try those out for you. And until next time, you guys, I love you, and bye-bye.